Does a racing mind keep you up at night? Do you have trouble with compulsive or intrusive thoughts, perhaps? Or maybe you go right to the catastrophe. What is the worst possible thing that could happen? And your mind kind of tortures you with those scenarios. Welcome to It's Not Rocket Science, Understanding Thoughts and Feelings. My name is Lynn Fraser. I've been teaching meditation for over 20 years, and I understand a lot about how the mind works. I was assaulted in 2005 and developed PTSD. I healed myself and at the same time became a trauma expert in addition to being a yoga and meditation teacher. In the course, we're going to learn about thoughts, which are words and pictures, and feelings or sensations, the energy that's in our body, and why it's sometimes so uncomfortable to be present with the energy in our body that we flip right out of our body and back up into thought. I know powerful, effective methods and tools to use on these so that it will lessen the intensity of the words or the pictures and that we feel comfortable. Our brain develops in response to our experiences as children and throughout life. I'm offering this course free because I feel so strongly that each one of you has the capacity to learn how your system works and to develop proficiency in these effective tools to calm ourselves down and become stronger and more resilient. I've healed myself, and I know I can help you. Join me for the course.